FM200 Video Part 01. FM200 is a type of fire suppression agent that is commonly used in fire suppression systems. It is a colorless, odorless gas that is made up of heptafluoropropane (HFP), which is a halocarbon compound. FM200 is typically stored in cylinders as a pressurized liquid, but is released as a gas when it is needed for fire suppression. FM200 is a popular choice for fire suppression systems in areas where water-based systems are not appropriate, or where sensitive equipment or materials could be damaged by water. It is also favored because it is a clean agent, meaning that it does not leave any residue after it is discharged, which can reduce damage to equipment and minimize downtime during cleanup. FM200 works by removing heat from the fire and by interrupting the chemical chain reaction that sustains the fire. It is effective on most types of fires, including those involving flammable liquids and electrical equipment. However, it is important to note that FM200 should only be used in areas that are well ventilated, as it can displace oxygen and create a potential hazard for occupants. FM200, also known as HFC-227EA, is a clean agent fire suppression system that is made up of heptafluoropropane (HFP), a colorless and odorless gas. The chemical formula for HFP is C3H7, which means that it is composed of 3 carbon atoms, 7 fluorine atoms, and 1 hydrogen atom. The molecular weight of HFP is 170.03 grams per mole, and it has a boiling point of -16.4 degrees Celsius -57.5 degrees Fahrenheit, at standard pressure. FM200 is typically stored in pressurized cylinders as a liquid, and when it is discharged, it quickly vaporizes into a gas. The chemical composition of FM200, which is essentially HFP, allows it to be effective at suppressing fires by removing heat from the fire and interrupting the chemical chain reaction that sustains the fire. FM200 is a popular choice for fire suppression in areas where water-based systems are not appropriate, such as in data centers, telecommunications facilities, and other sensitive environments. Heptafluoropropane, also known as HFC-227EA or FM200, is a halocarbon compound with the chemical formula C3H7. It is a colorless, odorless, and non-toxic gas that is used as a clean agent fire suppression system in buildings and facilities where water-based systems are not suitable or could cause damage to sensitive equipment. Heptafluoropropane is a fluorinated alkane, which means that it is composed of carbon, hydrogen, and fluorine atoms. The molecule has a total of 10 atoms, 3 carbon atoms, 1 hydrogen atom, and 7 fluorine atoms. Its molecular weight is 170.03 grams per mole.